Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that's often overlooked but incredibly important: jeans. However, this time we're looking at jeans through the lens of the old money aesthetic. Old money style is all about understated elegance, timeless pieces, and an effortless sophistication. When it comes to jeans, the goal is to balance style with comfort and elegance, without the need for flashy designs or trends. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to wear jeans in a way that reflects the quiet luxury of old money style, while maintaining harmony and grace. Let's begin. 1. Choosing the right jeans, classic and minimalist. The first step in mastering the old money style with jeans is to choose a pair that embodies simplicity and quality. When shopping for jeans, avoid anything too trendy or over-designed. Instead, focus on timeless cuts that have been in style for decades. Classic dark indigo, black, or light gray jeans are the perfect base for creating a sophisticated look. Opt for high-waisted, straight-leg, or boot-cut jeans. These cuts are comfortable, flattering, and easy to dress up or down. A well-made pair of jeans should have a perfect fit, neither too tight nor too loose, creating a flattering silhouette. The fabric is just as important as the cut. Choose high-quality cotton or a cotton blend that holds its shape over time. Tip: a natural, well-worn look to your jeans can enhance their charm. The more you wear them, the better they fit and the more they feel like a second skin. 2. Pairing jeans with the right tops. Subtle elegance. When pairing jeans with a top, think simplicity, quality, and elegance. Old money style is all about understated luxury, and this extends to your tops. A crisp white shirt is an absolute must-have. Whether it's a button-down shirt, a simple blouse, or a finely knit sweater, it always looks sophisticated paired with jeans. For a more relaxed yet still polished look, consider light pastel colors, pale blues, or neutrals like beige and soft gray. In the summer, a lightweight blazer or a cotton trench coat works beautifully over a simple top and jeans. The key is to keep your look streamlined, with subtle, high-quality fabrics that add refinement without being too loud. Tucking your shirt into your jeans or leaving it untucked creates two distinct yet equally polished looks. Tip: for an elevated look, pair your jeans with a silk blouse or a linen blazer. These lightweight, luxurious fabrics will take your outfit to the next level. 3. Footwear, classic and understated. In old money style, footwear should always be polished but never flashy. Jeans are no exception. The right shoes can elevate a pair of jeans from casual to chic without looking out of place. Leather loafers, suede moccasins, or simple ballet flats are excellent choices. These shoes convey luxury without being ostentatious. For a more relaxed vibe, espadrilles or boat shoes are perfect for summer months. Stick to neutral tones like tan, brown, or black, as these colors blend seamlessly with your outfit and contribute to the overall harmonious look of the old money style. Tip: keep your shoes well maintained. Clean and polished shoes always speak volumes about your attention to detail. 4. Accessories. Less is more accessories in the old money style should always be minimal yet luxurious. Large logos and flashy accessories have no place in this aesthetic. Instead, focus on high-quality pieces that stand the test of time. A classic leather belt, a vintage watch, or a simple silk scarf can add the perfect finishing touch. When it comes to bags, choose understated, well-crafted pieces in neutral colors. Think leather satchels, structured handbags, or woven straw bags for a more relaxed look. The idea is to avoid clutter and instead focus on timeless accessories that add to your elegance without drawing too much attention. Tip: stick to classic, well-made accessories. A luxury item is one that can be passed down through generations, so opt for pieces that are elegant, functional, and timeless. 5. Color coordination, harmony, and balance. The key to old money style is achieving a harmonious, balanced look. When it comes to jeans, stick to colors that are neutral and timeless. Dark blue, black, and gray jeans provide the perfect foundation for a refined outfit. For tops, white, soft blues, pastel shades, and earthy tones work perfectly. The idea is to create a seamless, cohesive look where each piece complements the others. For example, pair your dark jeans with a white button-down shirt or a light gray blazer, and you'll have a look that's elegant and understated. Tip: if you're wearing jeans in a darker color, lighten up your top with a crisp white shirt or a soft pastel sweater. This balance will give you a sophisticated, effortless style. 6. Jeans and the balance of elegance. Completing the look without overdoing it. Old money style is all about refinement and balance. With jeans, this means keeping the look simple but polished. Avoid layering on too many accessories or wearing anything too bold. Instead, focus on creating a balanced look where each piece works together seamlessly. Jeans should be the foundation of your outfit, but the real magic comes from the way you put everything together. Classy shoes, an elegant top, and minimalist accessories. The result is a refined and timeless outfit that exudes quiet luxury. Tip: keep your outfit clean and balanced by avoiding excessive layering or over-accessorizing. The goal is to look elegant and well put together without trying too hard. Conclusion: wearing jeans with old money style is all about finding the perfect balance between comfort, quality, and timeless elegance. By choosing classic cuts, pairing them with subtle yet luxurious tops, and accessorizing with understated pieces, you can create a look that is both sophisticated and effortless. Remember, the beauty of old money style lies in the simplicity and quality of the pieces you choose, as well as how well they come together. The goal is never to stand out with bold, flashy pieces, but to shine through with quiet, refined elegance. As we move into the new season, take a moment to evaluate your jeans collection and ask yourself, are they truly timeless? By investing in high-quality, well-fitting jeans and pairing them with elegant pieces, you'll ensure your style remains as classic as it is sophisticated. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's your favorite way to style jeans in an old money fashion? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more timeless style tips. Until next time, stay elegant, stay classic, and let your style speak for itself.